If you need to save a document as a PDF in Microsoft Word, this quick tutorial will walk you through the simplest way to do it in just a few clicks. Converting your Word file to PDF is one of the best ways to keep your formatting consistent, make your document easier to share, and ensure it opens correctly on almost any device. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Word document you want to convert. Once your document is open, go up to the File menu and click Save As. This is the option that lets you create a new copy of your file in a different format instead of just overwriting the original document. After that, choose the location where you want to save the file. You can select your computer, a folder, or any other folder location that works best for you so the PDF is easy to find later. Next, look for the Save as Type drop-down menu. This is the important step where you change the file format from a Word document to a PDF. Click the drop-down menu and select PDF, which will usually appear as PDF-F with the file extension .pdf. Once you've selected PDF, Word will prepare the file for export. At this point, you can give the file a new name if you want, or keep the current one and just change the format. When everything looks right, click Save. Microsoft Word will now create a PDF version of your document and store it in the location you chose. After that, you can open the PDF-F to double-check that the layout, text, images, and spacing all look correct, and that's it. Your Word document is now saved as a PDF. It's a fast, reliable way to share professional-looking files without worrying about formatting changes. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.